Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on Zari border tussar which we specialize, and we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, it's the heart of the city, Kolkata 87. So let's start with the sari number 1. You can see this is the Zari border tussar. As you can see, this is the pallu of the sari and it's a 3D dye. It's a royal blue, froza and parrot green. So this is the 3D color, and then we have done a block print. So this is the print. As you can see, it will come to the skirt. So how it will look, I'll just show. I just put so you can just see. So this is the pallu and this is the all over look. So this will come to the skirt. So this is a very pretty and very nice color combination. It's a royal blue, froza and parrot green. So this is the combination of the sari. Pallu is there. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is the sari number 2. As you can see, it's a jet black and all over body it's a multicolor floral. It's a kalamkari print. Just see the color combination. It's a shades of green, sea green, yellow, mustard yellow, orange, and this is the color combination which comes all over the sari. So just have a look. Very classy and very colorful. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the print which comes all over. Pallu is there and this is the BP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is the sari number 3 and it's a combination of baby pink and black. It's a hand painting. As you can see, from pallu till shoulder this painting will come and this design will come on the skirt. So it's a birds flying design. This will come to the skirt. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the design. So this is the all over look. This is the all over look of the sari. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the combination of mustard yellow. As you can see, it's a very nice color. It's a mustard yellow and all over body it's a multicolor floral. So as you can see, the shades of gray, shades of magenta, rani and shades of green. So this is the print which comes all over the sari. So this is the all over same print. I'll just show how it will look. So just see the pallu of the sari and this is the design. This is the all over look. So very pretty and just see the color combination. So nice. So this is all over same mustard yellow and blouse piece. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is the sari number 5 and it's a combination of rani pink and the base color is off white. As you can see, the pallu border and BP will be the rani pink, shocking pink, and this is a block print which will come to the all over the sari. It's a combination of black, orange, rani and grey. So this is the print which comes all over. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. This is all over. And pallu is there. So this is the pallu and this is all over print and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is the last sari of this episode and this is a combination of tomato red. See the color, it's not pure red, it's a tomato red. And the base color is a jet black along with the light deep shades of brown and froza. So this is the print, and but the print is like a hand painting. Just see the shading and the effect. It's like a hand painting, but actually it's a print. So it's a combination of tomato red and basically it's a jet black with multicolor floral design. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari and this is the all over look. I'll show you the closer view. Just see the design. So this is the all over look of the sari. It's a very pretty nice color combination. And blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discounts. For bulk queries or wholesale queries, please do WhatsApp. Our number is given on the screen. It's 829-689-7264. COD facilities available only in Central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much and keep share the video.